Okay, today I will show you how to make a phone stand with a cat. First, I try this photo. Then, we need to convert to DAF file from this photo. When we get DAF file, open DAF file with AutoCAD because we need to adjust sizing and then add this design. Okay. After that, we need to open laser machine software. Okay, here laser cat 5.3 version. And then we need to import this file. Okay, here. Okay, now we need to separate color. Now we need to spray color red, sorry, and blue. Okay, see, blue and black. Okay, and then also this two change to blue because this black color for just only shade and this blue color for completely cut. Okay, and then we can change speed and power. Yeah, this file is okay. Oh, not okay because this is just shape, so we need to turn, and this is just only 30. Okay, blue color for cat. Now we need to change 5 and 90. Okay, everything is finished. Download to the design machine. Yeah, click on download current. Okay, we got it. Oh, sorry. Download again. Okay, we got it. Thank you so much.